Hi everyone. Today I am so excited because the doorbell just rang and it was the delivery of my mail, and in it was this paper pumpkin kit which said it was going to come on Monday, but it actually came today, which is Saturday. It's always nice when something comes early. This one was a little bumpy, so I'm opening that to use for myself. The other boxes were nice and pristine. Okay, let's check it out. I'm kind of excited because I heard there was a snail, and there is. Okay, let's see if I can show you these better with a white piece underneath. I believe that works better. So we have this adorable snail with the heart-shaped shell. I really like that. And then there's this big heart made of hearts. Be mine, XOXO, love, sending love your way, hi Valentine, and then this cute little spray of hearts and flowers. So this is an adorable stamp set, and I'm excited to get that because this month there was an add-on possibility of this little box that's containing tiny little boxes that you can put some treats in, and I did a video on that where I showed what kinds of treats I put inside, and they're really cute. So that was an add-on option. It doesn't come with the kit. Here's a picture of that add-on option and what they've done with it. How cute. Anyway, you got 20 boxes for $8. If you didn't get that, let me know if you want it, and I can help you with that. The spot this time is called Poppy Parade. Oh, and we get a spool of, looks like, black ribbon, probably to use on our cards. Now these I haven't seen a sneak peek. Oh, we've got some nice enamel dots, and look at the printing on here. Oh, look how pretty they are. So there's no snail on the cards. These cards are a little more less cutesy, which is kind of nice because you've got this optional little snail you can put on the inside, or they'd be cute on the envelope like snail mail. Really cute. Let's dive into this. Where are my scissors? All right, here you're going to see what I'm doing. I am making, my desk is a mess, and I put this piece of board on top of my mess so that I could do this video really quick, because it literally just came in the mail. The doorbell rang probably not 5 minutes ago. But my scissors are buried. No, they're not. So I don't even know where my scissors are. Seriously, I'm in the middle of swaps right now, and I've already colored a whole piece of paper and cut them out, and I know I used my scissors. Okay. There's a sneak peek at how messy my desk gets. Here they are. Okay. Did that not even cut through? Too funny. Okay, here we go. Red envelopes. Very nice. Those are fun. Heart-shaped enamel. Oh, and some of them are little stars, or maybe that's a little flower. Some dimensionals. Here are the pieces. Nice gold foil, and that cute little mailbox. Okay, we got 2 different printed cards. There's 4 of each, so you get a total of 8. Some labels, love, a little scallop detailing, that's cute. Oh, and some little glue dots. So let's take a look at what we're making here again. Where's my photo? There you go, there's the little scallop. Here's that roll of ribbon. And very cute. So if you did not get the January paper pumpkin kit, sending hearts, if you missed out on this, because the subscription date for Paper Pumpkin is the 10th of each month, so you can no longer get this one by subscribing, because if you subscribe, you're actually going to get the February kit, which is really pretty, by the way. Check out my blog to see a picture of that, Best Paper Cuts, or my Facebook page. I think I put a picture up on there too. Anyway, this is the January kit. If you didn't get it, you missed out. I do order extras, so let me know if you wish you got one, and I will see if I still have one for you. Also let me know, this is limited time add-on kit, which has the snail, which matches the adorable little snail. Is it the same size? It is. He's so cute, as you can see. So anyway, let me know if you are looking for the Sending Hearts January Paper Pumpkin Kit or the Little Love Boxes add-on kit, which makes these adorable little boxes. I made a video on this because people were unsure on the size of these boxes and what fits inside. So there is a video just on this if you look for it on my channel. And I show you how the boxes go together and what fits inside, but I don't want to destroy it. What fits inside are fun-sized flat Hershey products, this little Hershey Hearts, and I also was able to fit this pack of fruit snacks if you fold it like so, which is what I'm doing for the kids in my class. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much. Let me know if you are interested in the Sending Hearts Paper Pumpkin Kit, or sign up for future kits and never miss one. If you sign up, there'll be a link under this video description, and you can go ahead and subscribe. And if you subscribe for a prepaid kit during January and February, if you get a 3-month prepaid kit, that prepaid kit subscription qualifies you for a free celebration item. So think about that as well. And I'll have information. That's a different link. So if you're interested in that, that'll be on my blog. Thank you for watching. Bye.